Hello everyone, today on my channel I'm teaching you how to do um a headband braids, okay? So let's just get started. As you notice, my hair is a little messy because I just got out of bed, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get, and as you can see I got a mirror, that way I can see what I'm doing. So what you're gonna do is get your braid right here. And you're going to braid it, just a regular braid, and then once you have a little, you are going to flip this over, and you're going to cornrow. If you don't know how to cornrow, it's very hard to do. You can type it up on YouTube, okay? You just actually do it. You braid it. It's gonna take a while, so if you'd like, you can look into the mirror or just do it. And when you put it in your do it in your hair, it's very, very, very hard that you do not miss any out. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm looking in the mirror in the bathroom. See if I got it right. Sorry guys, it's coming off. Okay, and I am done. See, it has like a little braids, okay? And kind of messed up, but yeah. The braid is supposed to stick like that, okay? And this was my video about the little braid, okay? Watch my videos. You just get braid, just make a regular braid and then flip it over and then start, finishing it. We'll see you later on my channel. Bye bye.